Plus, we cannot stop this unusually large man. Then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
You're gonna need it.
Rock and roll from existence.
What have we done?
I think we're going back.
Oh, we got it. Oh, Christ.
It is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Number 10, link your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?